Why do we use beard oil? That is the number one question I get all the time. Now, we're gonna get a variable amount of answers depending on who you ask. But for me, it's to alleviate the itch. Now, if you go to Google or you check out other beard videos, they're gonna tell you that beard oil, which is in fact true, conditions, moisturizes, and hydrates the beard and skin. Now, my theory and explanation to this whole process is, let's put this in perspective, okay? As we shave, our epidermis grows layers and layers of skin. But if we shave every day or every other day, we're naturally exfoliating off with that razor. Now, as we come to that time of beard growth and we're extending the life of our beard, what naturally happens is our beard grows over and curls down and touches our skin. And since we aren't shaving every day or every other day, the layers and layers of our skin, the hair touching the skin is gonna cause that itch. So for you guys that are getting in that 3 weeks to that month of beard growth, I would say just a little bit of oil, and we're gonna rub it in, and we're just gonna go ahead and work it into the skin and the beard. And as we work it into our skin, once again, we're gonna exfoliate, we're gonna moisturize, and we're gonna nourish the hair and the skin. And to that question, a very long explanation, but I wanna hear your guys' thoughts. What do you think beard oil does and what it's there to do for the beard growth? Is it just there to help us with smell, with fragrance, with shine? Leave a comment down there. I want to hear from you. So like always, you guys, like, subscribe, check me out, all that social media. Love you guys like always, and I will see you on that flip side. See ya!